What do the AUC students learn when they major in mathematics? I think it's twofold. On the one hand, there's the formal side, so meaning the content we offer in the courses. We have, of course, the basic courses like calculus, but we also offer discrete math, graph theory, abstract algebra, probability theory, stochastics, statistics. So this is the formal side. But on the other hand, what you actually learn, the great input that math gives you, is all your soft skills. So what you really learn is abstract thinking, critical thinking. You will be doing actual math. All our courses are exercise-based, so you will actually be producing proofs. You will actually producing truth. You will actually developing new theory, which is really an impressive and amazing feeling. Like there's nothing higher than the beauty of having created something which is eternally true. So in addition to the actual courses, we will encourage you to do internships in the summer in international companies where you can bring in all the skills that you developed to help the people working in these companies to kind of analyze their problems and develop a solution for them. This is the beauty about math. It's on the one hand very specialized and on the other hand extremely universal of what you can do out of it. In the academic career you have a plethora of choices. So you could pursue a PhD in philosophy, you could pursue a PhD in climate change, in data science. Besides the academia, there's again like a huge variety of offers in the job market. They are the more classical ones. You can go into finance, for example. You can go into consulting, into insurance companies. But you can also go, as I mentioned before, into climate science, for example, into psychology. Think of artificial intelligence, data science, which is a huge upcoming new area. This is based on mathematics. Really, your chances with a math major are unlimited.